What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we've got yet another Braven product. Now those who have not stuck around for a while, who are not familiar with the unboxings of Braven, I have unboxed the Solo, which is amazing. But then I also unboxed the next big one. Well, this is like 2 steps up really. But this time, some of you guys have actually asked for it. Jesus. Oh! Braven has sent over their bigger one. This is the biggest, this is the XXL. I'm excited because these things already sound amazing and this is dubbed their biggest, baddest, loudest outdoor speaker, period. Considering how those sound, I have no doubt in my mind that this thing is gonna sound amazing. Oh, this one's in a box. All right, hold on. Oh my God, this thing is so heavy. Look at this thing, it's huge. This is like perfect for tailgating, for parties, for picnics on the beach. This is your just all around go outside and blast it up while you're out there doing whatever you want to. It's IPX5 rated, so it's waterproof, it's rainproof, and if it's anything like the durability of the other ones, you can probably run this thing over with your car. Now, it's about 300 bucks, so I don't think I would want to intentionally, but you probably could. Plus control, customized bass, and treble equalizer setting. Nice, okay, cool. 14 hours of playtime and expansive dual-sided sound, which is good. It does have a 15,600 milliamp hour battery built into it, so you can use it for just the speaker, or you can actually plug in some devices to get a charge off of it. All right, I'm just gonna open this thing up, it's huge. Okay, so we got a bunch of cables. We got even more cables. Oh, look at this thing. We've got an audio cable, 3.5 to 3.5. We've got our power brick, and there is the US power cable for it. Now, it does have a slew of international cables. Now, I'm not going to attempt to guess what region or country these actually belong to, because the last time I did, you guys gave me a hard time about it. But here are the other cables that it comes with. So, you know, you'll know based off of where you are if this will work for you or not. It also comes with a big carrying strap. It's a huge strap, says Braven on it. Heavy duty nylon, which is nice. It even has this nice convenient bottle opener attached to it. It's such a big speaker. Oh. Yes. This has gotta weigh like 30 pounds. Okay, so as you can tell, it's got a huge handle, big huge rubber feet, big huge heavy metal grill. All right, so on the side you can see you got this big rubber, huge thick rubber flap. You've got your auxiliary in, you got your mic in, which the mic in means that you can hook up a microphone to it and actually be like the host or a DJ at the party. Then you have your USB port for charging other devices, and then you have your DC port for charging this. So right here you got your power button, you've got your play, probably pause as well, your up and down, and then it shows right here there's bass, volume, treble. That's because you can actually adjust them from the unit itself. I believe these are lights to show you the volume level that you're on. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Oh no. Oh, please don't tell me it's dead. All right, so on the side, when you plug it in, you can see the LEDs. There's a couple LEDs here that shows the battery. After plugging it in, you can see I'm blinking on the first light, so it is completely dead. Now, I wanna make sure that we get the best test out of this, so I'm gonna let it charge for a while. A lot of times, you know, with these speakers and headphones, what they'll do is if they're like at a certain level of battery, they'll actually purposely cut down the volume level to preserve battery. So I wanna prevent that, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this charge up for a while, and movie magic, I'll be right back. Okay, all right, now it should be fully charged. Whoa, that was bassy. Whoa. All right, that's as loud as it goes. I don't think I'm gonna start off that way. It's as loud as it gets. Oh my God, it's already loud. Whoa. This thing has amazing sound. Wow, and the bass is so punchy. Okay, let's check clarity.
Good mythical summer. The best part of summertime is that our beloved ice cream parlors can...
I have it all the way up and it's still premium clear. Wow, that's amazing. This is a great speaker. So far, the loudest speaker I've ever touched. This is great. All right, let's try a little bass boosted. Let's see what happens. God, I hope I don't blow this thing up. Whoa. Wow. Even with it all the way up, the bass still sounds really good. Man, these are some premium speakers, I gotta say. All right, you know what? We're gonna do a real good test. I wanna see how well this thing throws sound. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna take all 3 of these. Oh my God, well, I needed that out of the box anyway. We're gonna take all 3 of these and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test how loud they sound from a distance. So let's go do that before it gets too dark. Let's go. All right, so across the yard, I have the miniature, the very small Ready Solo. All right, so I have it at max volume. I don't know how well the microphone is picking that up from over here, but it's pretty quiet. I can still hear it. All right, so now I'm gonna switch it over to the Ready Elite. All right, here we go, max volume. Yeah, that's a definite improvement from the smaller version for sure. I mean, really, that's about as loud as you need. That sounds great from over here. All right, time to switch it to the big boy. All right, here we go. Let's go to bass boosted. Let's see how well this bass carries. Well, my microphone is peaking over here, so yeah, that's really good. That's nice. Yeah, that sounds really good. The bass travels really well. The audio sounds really good. I mean, you can definitely tell going from the Ready Solo to the Elite and now to the XXL, there's definite big improvements in sound quality. This thing has speakers on the front and the back, so we're, you know, I hope the neighbors aren't too upset, but but that sounds really good. And the way that the bass, it sounds clear all the way to the top volume that you can get it. The bass sounds really good. I didn't mention it in the beginning, but you know, it is $300, but I've got a $100 off coupon right now. So definitely, if you're interested and you're looking for something to up your tailgating game, summertime is upon us, so you're gonna have a lot of outdoor stuff going on at the beach, at the pool. This thing is gonna cover it all. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual, along with the $100 off coupon. Definitely go take advantage of that while you can. But I'm gonna leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.